What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick crypto news and market update. We do have the Saturday Night Live event tomorrow with Elon Musk doing the Dogefather skit, which Doge is up 30% again, getting very close to flipping Binance BNB for the third spot in market cap. Just crazy if this ends up happening. So we also have Litecoin and Chainlink breaking all-time highs today. Lots of huge crypto news as well that I'm going to go over with you guys. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell if you do want to be notified when I make new crypto videos. Alright guys, so jumping into the crypto markets, we do have Bitcoin on the rise again, breaking $58,000, which is great to see because Bitcoin was losing market dominance and struggling compared to other top 20 cryptocurrencies. And as we know, if Bitcoin takes a big major dip, then most likely the entire crypto space is going to follow, at least temporarily. So Bitcoin getting close to all-time highs again, I think is going to be a great thing. If it does break all-time highs in the next couple weeks, that's going to be bullish for the entire crypto space. So Ethereum broke all-time highs 9 days in a row. Today is actually the first day in the last 10 days it has not broken all-time highs. So just steady growth for Ethereum, $100 here and there over the last 10 days. So definitely normal that it is stabilizing now. But it is very possible it does break out at some point. We did have that prediction of a $5,000 Ethereum by the end of May. So Binance BNB is holding around $600 to $650, around $100 billion market cap. So we have Dogecoin approaching Binance BNB, about to flip in Binance BNB for the third spot in market cap, which is pretty insane considering how massive of a network Binance is and what the Binance Smart Chain is doing. All these altcoins launching on the Binance Smart Chain. So Dogecoin, we do have that Elon Musk skit tomorrow, Dogefather on Saturday Night Live. We'll see exactly what he says in that. But after that, we could see a pretty big correction for Dogecoin unless he says something very bullish. So it's going to be very dependent on what he says during the skit and if this does add buying pressure into the markets. If it's nothing too bullish, we probably will see a sell-off the following 2 days after the Dogecoin skit. So Dogecoin at $90 billion market cap, pretty insane how quickly this has grown. It was only a few days ago this was at 50 billion and then it climbed up to 70 billion, now $90 billion market cap. So that $1 Dogecoin is not too far out of sight with Dogecoin sitting at 69 cents. So according to CoinMarketCap, we did see a new all-time high for ADA today at $1.75. It has pulled back a little bit, but I do believe demand for ADA will begin picking up once we get closer to the smart contract testnet and then leading into the mainnet in the middle of the summer. I do believe we will be on a steady rise throughout that, unless we do get a major correction in the space in general because of breaking bad news, new regulations or something that causes panic in the markets. But in general, I am bullish on ADA, as I have been saying for the last year. I definitely see a $10 ADA possible by the end of 2021. So really lots of major stuff to come for the Cardano blockchain. Very excited to see what happens in the war of the blockchains throughout the summer and which blockchain is going to be most prominent by the end of 2021. So we did see a new all-time high for Litecoin today as well, which is massive. Litecoin did do a post on Twitter here. So Litecoin hit $370, which is an all-time high, depending on the exchange as well, because some exchanges, the all-time high was lower and some of them was higher, like Coinbase. I did hear it hit $420 on Litecoin, but basically Litecoin has broken all-time highs, and I do believe Litecoin is still quite undervalued as well, compared to how much the rest of the top 10 cryptocurrencies have moved up and how accessible Litecoin has become, being on all of these stock apps, being on PayPal, and pretty much every other major crypto platform offers Litecoin. So I definitely think a Litecoin surge could be coming over the next few months as well. Definitely one I'm holding long term next to Cardano ADA and Chainlink I'm very bullish on, which also hit an all-time high today, breaking $50. So Chainlink I have been bullish on for the last month or so. I did start getting into this at an average price of around $20 to $30 throughout here. I was dollar cost averaging. So Chainlink is launching Chainlink 2.0 and they do have Oracle NFTs coming, which massive use case and utility does come out of this. I'm seeing a lot of smaller projects beginning to integrate Chainlink oracles and actually put this to use. So Elon Musk shared a TMZ video today talking about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, and he did state some very bullish stuff in this. This had thousands of shares. So something he did say in here that's very important is there's a good chance crypto is the future currency of Earth. And we have to keep in mind, this is Elon Musk saying this, not some random person or just some random financial advisor. This is one of the most innovative people in the world and a massive influencer in the crypto space right now, as we've seen how much he can push Dogecoin just by hyping this up, and how much adoption Dogecoin has gotten just from Elon Musk's support. So it's great that Elon Musk is opening up to cryptocurrencies in general, not just talking about Dogecoin anymore. It's very possible he does start pushing some other top 10 cryptocurrencies by the end of 2021. So we did get Elon Musk hinting at the Cardano Merry hard fork that was on March 1st. I did do a full video on this if you guys want to check that out. He changed his profile picture and he said some stuff that was hinting at this. But we haven't heard anything about Cardano from Elon Musk since then. But we have to keep in mind, smart contracts are not launched on the Cardano blockchain yet, which is pretty much the main aspect of the project. And we're not going to see a lot of projects launching on the Cardano blockchain until we get those smart contracts. So I think by end of 2021 is really when we're going to be seeing Cardano pick up. It will be interesting if we see Elon Musk talk about Cardano or other cryptocurrencies by end of 2021 as well, and not just Dogecoin. So we just got a partnership announcement between Shopping.io and Stormx. These are two smaller cap cryptocurrencies that I'm invested in for the long term. Definitely high potential here, and they do have staking and passive income opportunities. And I do see high potential in these projects for the long term. They are bringing utility to the space. So for now, you can spend STMX tokens on the shopping platform for a 2% discount. You can actually get up to 10% off from Amazon and eBay items using Shopping.io if you do have a membership with them. And there will be other benefits coming out of this partnership in the future. So great to see more developments for these smaller projects. So crypto analyst who nailed Ethereum's climb to $3,400 says $10,000 is next. I definitely think it's possible Ethereum hits that $10,000 during this bull market. So for that, that's only around a 3x, which is not that huge. I do think there will be higher return on investment in other projects like ADA and other smaller projects that people aren't as comfortable with now, but will have more developments as the bull market goes on. So this is still huge profits, especially comparing this to the stock market or real estate or anything else in the world for investing. These are massive return on investments. So a lot of people are getting into cryptocurrency from the stock market and real estate and other investment avenues, getting into cryptocurrency for the first time. So this analyst is upping her price target to the $8,000 to $10,000 price range by year's end. I definitely would agree with this, and I think it's very possible as long as the crypto space continues growing in general. But like I did state, I do believe other altcoins will have higher return on investment in the same amount of time. So those are really the ones I'm looking for, but of course I stay diversified at the same time because we never know which is going to do better. A lot of people went all in on small cap cryptocurrencies over the last month or two, and then top 20 cryptocurrencies started moving up, when before that the small cap cryptocurrencies were the ones that were shooting up 10 to even 20x in a short period of time. So Ethereum Classic gains 300% in 1 week as traders rush to buy the wrong Ethereum. So this is a mistake I see often in the crypto space. There's so many copies of different cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum, that people end up buying the wrong one or thinking it's going to pump just because it has a similar name. So during the last bull market, we saw Bitcoin Diamond, Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Zero, all kinds of different Bitcoins that were surging just because they had Bitcoin in the name. This is very misleading. So even Bitcoin Cash, this is one reason why I don't have a great opinion about Roger Ver, is because he used Bitcoin.com to promote Bitcoin Cash and was kind of misleading people at the time to buy Bitcoin Cash instead of Bitcoin. All right, guys, so we finally had the launch of Uniswap version 3. This article states the fees sting, but Uniswap version 3 sees more volume on launch day than version 2's first month. So we have to keep in mind the launch of version 2 was pretty much during the bear market still. Even though it was during the bear market, this is really what kicked off altcoin season, in my opinion. We had a lot of cryptocurrencies surging because of version 2, and I do believe we will see a similar effect with Uniswap version 3. So we do need a layer 2 solution to be added to Uniswap version 3 to reduce the gas fees. So the gas fees earlier today were around $50. In the last hour, I saw they were only around $30. So hopefully they do get a layer 2 solution added as soon as possible, because that will reduce the gas fees. It won't reduce it as low as PancakeSwap and the Binance Smart Chain, but regardless, reducing it anything below $30 I think is going to be huge and open the door to more people purchasing into small cap cryptocurrencies, and that'll definitely help a lot of these smaller projects with accessibility and getting more investors. So I do believe a lot of small cap cryptocurrencies are going to see a parabolic altcoin season very soon. Especially the projects with major events coming up and major developments that have good marketing is really the type of projects I'm looking for right now. So that's it for today's crypto news and market update. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, a free way to support the channel is like the video, comment below, and share this video anywhere on social media or with friends and family. Everything helps the channel grow, and I do really appreciate it. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.